Today's Professionals brought to you by The Basement Doctor.
Hi everyone, I'm back with the Basement Doctor, John Clements. And John, we have been in the basement of this home that is
seems like forever.
I know, it kind of does. It's about 100 years old. The homeowners have had so many challenging issues down here in the basement. You know, they raised a family in this home.
Yes.
At the same time, they are dealing with mold and mildew and crumbling walls, and the window area here was seeping. And you've come in, you've renovated, and we are kind of in the process in this area. Tell me what you've done to make this healthy.
Okay. For starters, we replaced all the basement windows, 2 different types. We've done the slider window like you see here that will open up nice so that you can get the fresh air in from the outside. It also is very easy to get out for an emergency if you needed to escape, or if you wanted to clean the inside and the outside of the window. We also put in a couple of glass block windows. You'll notice by the dryer, we put one in that has a vent so that the dryer can exhaust out. And the old coal chute, which is just this ugly hole in a wall in these old houses, we were able to customize a glass block window to go in there. You'll notice along the edge, we put spray foam insulation so that we can seal it airtight. It's also going to prevent the water from coming through. And then that bright wall paneling and the water guard that we spoke of the last few weeks is going to continue along through here. So we're going to handle any seepage problems, any mold problems. They've all been addressed, and it's going to be clean, dry, usable space.
Definitely. So it kind of not only increases the space for the family, but this area really does become livable. And it's an area normally that might not be.
We know the homeowner loves to store things in tubs, and this is going to be all Christmas ornaments around here.
Great. Okay, John, thank you so much. We'll see you all next time.